Over the next two videos, we're going to do a review of work on fractions. We have some more difficult work on fractions coming up, and therefore it's important at this stage to review. If we're adding fractions such as 2/5 plus 1/3, we look for a common denominator. The common denominator is usually the smallest number that both of the denominators go into. 15 is the smallest number which both 5 and 3 go into. 5 times 3 is 15. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15. 1 times 5 is 5. We now have them both as 15ths. 6 plus 5 is 11, so we have 11 15ths. For adding mixed numbers, there is more than one approach. Let's start by converting them into improper fractions. 4 times 3 is 12, add 1 is 13, so 3 1/4 can be written as 13 quarters. 6 times 2 is 12, add 5 is 17, so 2 5/6 can be written as 17 sixths. We now look for a common denominator. The smallest number that both 4 and 6 go into is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. 13 times 3 is 39. 6 times 2 is 12. 17 times 2 is 34. 39 plus 34 is 73, so we have 73 twelfths. 6 times 12 is equal to 72. So 12 goes into 73 6 times with a remainder of 1. So we have 6 and 1/12. As a second approach, we can take the whole number parts, 3 plus 2, and add those, and add the fraction parts separately. 3 plus 2 is 5, and then we have to do 1/4 plus 5/6. A common denominator for 4 and 6 would be 12. 4 3s are 12. 1 times 3 is 3. 6 2s are 12. 5 times 2 is 10. So we have 5, and we have a total of 13 twelfths. 13 twelfths is 1 and 1/12, so therefore we can have 6 and 1/12. 3/5 take away 1/3. When subtracting like adding, we look for a common denominator, the smallest number that both denominators go into. 5 times 3 is 15. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 5 is 15. 1 times 5 is 5. 9 15ths take 5 15ths gives us 4 15ths. 3 1/4 take 1 5/6. Using top-heavy or improper fractions, 12 plus 1 is 13 over 4. 6 ones are 6, add 5 is 11. So we're taking away 11 over 6. Once again, a common denominator for 4 and 6 we'll use 12. 4 threes are 12. 13 threes are 39. 2 sixes are 12. 2 11s are 22. 39 take away 22 is 17, so we have 17 twelfths. 12 goes into 17 once, remainder 5, so we have 1 and 5 twelfths. Taking whole numbers and fraction parts separately, we have 3 take away 1, and we add that to 1/4 take away 5/6. 3 take away 1 is 2. We need a common denominator for 4 and 6, which would be 12. 4 times 3 is 12. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 5 is 10. So we have 2, and this gives us minus 7 twelfths. We need to take 7 twelfths from 2, and if we do that, we get 1 and 5 twelfths.